Hello everyone, you are all welcome to watch my video. It is a micro lesson on simple sentences. My name is Emmanuel Ahugah. You may call me Teacher Emmanuel. I live in Accra, the capital city of Ghana. I like teaching children English language online. Today, our lesson is about simple sentences and the capital letter as well as the full stop. Let us analyze a quote on the whiteboard. Listen carefully while I read. Words do two major things. They provide food for the mind and create light for our understanding and awareness. This quote, which was written by John Ron, simply means that words help us in our communication and also affect our feelings. Now, who can tell us whether it is true that words are important and powerful? Yes, Jane? Indeed, it is true that words are really important and powerful. Now, let's review the pronunciation and meaning of some words on the board. Remember that these words were given to you earlier on as homework. Let us review the pronunciation. Say it after me. Word. Word. Sentence. Sentence. Now, who can tell us the meaning of word? Yes? Jake? What about sentence? Now, we shall be watching a video, in fact, a YouTube video on sentences. I would like you to listen very, very attentively, watch the video, and focus your attention on it. By the way, I would like to have all technology tools or devices such as cell phones and palm tops, etc., that you have with you. You collect them after the lesson. Now, who can tell us whether you enjoyed the video or not? Can you show by hand? Let's have some volunteers to tell us anything that they really found interesting in the video. Now that you have watched the video, can somebody tell us the meaning of or the description of simple sentence? Yes. A simple sentence is a group of words that contains a subject, a verb, and also shows a complete thought. Do you think you understand why full stop is important in a sentence? Why a capital letter is also important in a sentence? Yes. Why? Jake? Now we are coming to look at the major parts of a sentence. Subject, verb, and object. Take note. The next thing we want to do is that we want to look at the main order of a sentence, or the main order of words in a sentence, is the same terms: subject, verb, and object. The next thing we want to do is that we want to look at um, the patterns. In fact, every sentence and all sentences have 5 major patterns. As you can see on the board, we have subject plus verb, subject plus verb plus object, etc. Do you understand the patterns in any way? Let's look at a few examples that will make the understanding better for us. Let's look at a few sentences. We are students. Now, we becomes a subject, are becomes a verb, or it is a verb, and then students becomes an object. So you see, so it follows this subject, verb, and object, that pattern. Yes. The next thing we want to do is to do group work. Now we're going to form 4 groups, each group with a leader, and you will write 2 sentences per group. These sentences, while in groups, we are coming to find out their subject or their sentence patterns. You have just 8 minutes to complete the work. Now we would like to do some independent or individual practice. You use these words, fluffy, my, that, etc. in a sentence each. You also tell us whether these words are nouns, adverb, etc. Now we would like to do some assignments. So it's time for assignment. Now your assignment has been written on these sheets of paper, which I'll distribute to you. They have specific instructions that you must follow. As soon as it is time, I'll ring a bell and everybody is supposed to turn over his or her script. I'll mark and then give you the feedback. All too soon, our time is up. But let us wrap up. We have learned that words are important and they are used in sentences. And sentences can be used in various forms. In our essays, in our books, in speeches, in sermons, etc. I want to thank you sincerely for watching. Bye bye.